Do you know you can use these 3 apps to create a book cover, edit in just 5 minutes? These 3 apps. All right, let me show you how to go about this. Stay tuned. So here I'll be reviewing the 3 apps we are going to be using. The first one is, I will have to type. The first one is this ChatGPT you are seeing here, this one. The second one is Google Doc, okay, this doc. Then the third one is Ideogram AI. This is it, this first site we are seeing here. So let's get started with ChatGPT. So if you don't have ChatGPT, you can go to Play Store and download ChatGPT, or you can go to your Chrome or any of your browser and search for ChatGPT, then sign up with your email address. Okay, so let's take, for instance, we want to write a book. We're going to be writing a book on which topic? Okay, let's say I want to write a book on the title Win Daily. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to be writing 5 pages book. So you see, it's now giving me the title outline. Okay, it's now giving me my chapter outline. So all these pages, I'm going to convert them to chapter. So I'll copy it, then instruction in a very simple to read English. Right on this. So I'm going to paste. So I'm going to remove some part of this. Okay, I'll scroll up. At least a page length for each pages. For each page. So let's see the length to generate for this one. Okay. If you say that, I see miracle. If you say I see miracle. So this is it, we are done. I'll copy, then go back, look for Google Doc. So I'll paste it here. So I send introduction page. So I put it in heading. The formatting the book is another different thing on its own. Another different thing on its own. It might not be what I will do. So now let me show you how to create. These are 5 pages book. Let me add page break so that we can view it. I will number it. Let me add page number. Okay, so I will use this one. So are you seeing page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5? So let's create book cover. I will save. You can write the name of the book Win Daily here. You save. So let's create book cover for this. Give me a prompt to put on an AI website to generate a catchy book cover for this book. So it's going to give me the prompts I can use. Okay. So we'll go over to Google. So I'll click on this Ideogram AI. If you search for Ideogram AI, you sign up with your email. Once you have signed up with your email, this is how the interface will be. So do not forget, once you sign up, please, this aspect ratio, please click on 9.16 if you are creating a book, so that your book, the cover would be it will have the same length like this. Then if you want something realistic, you click on realistic. If you want, you can leave it on auto. All right, so I'm going to try maybe I will leave it at general. So I'm going to input my prompt. So I'll click on generate. We have to give it some time. It already counted, as they are saying it's 9:88. So let's give it time. So this is it. You have to look at it and see the one that gives you what you want. If you don't like it, you can recreate. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. So now if you want to learn more on this particular thing, I thought I didn't even go deep, like this is just introduction I did. So if you want to learn more, you want to take this as a business, okay, maybe you are interested in Amazon KDP, then I'm here for you. This was okay, this screenshot was taken on August. I think we are in October already, and this is just I think 6 weeks earning from one of my Amazon account, this particular 600 and something dollar. Then this one is my screenshot. Okay, this is when I started sharing my process. I have a WhatsApp group where I share processes and some other tips. So if you are interested, you want to learn how to write, maybe you're not interested in Amazon KDP, you want to learn how to write on your own, then I'm here to help you achieve that 100%. Okay, so this is a review from one of my students from our pro group. She said, good morning everyone, this is just to inspire you this morning. This is my earnings so far this month. Okay, more are coming before the month runs out. So as you can see, she earned 93 euro from her KDP account. She's one of my students, so I don't want to go deep into reading. There's something she said there. She said, when I came across our coach, like I saw when she posted on the group that she's trying something out with her sister's account, and she has published 3 books. And like right in front of us, she posted when the books brought in $3, $21. Before I knew what was happening, same month, $300, $600. And honestly, I was amazed. I remember I kept telling my brother about her. It really inspired me a whole lot. I had to build up motivation from the inside to watch all the videos in her course and in my research. And anywhere I did not get it clear, I will message her and she will always respond promptly and very polite. This is where you got me. When it comes to this aspect, you talk to my student about it, they will tell you this is who Ada is. So if you are looking for the right person to put you through this Amazon KDP, through this writing, then you don't have to waste time. Just message me right away. So now let's look at what, if you are interested in Amazon KDP, this is what you will be learning. Okay, now we are going to learn introduction to Amazon KDP, book writing and creation. You learn these two, know the difference between the two. Book design. This ideogram is not the only way you can create book cover. There are other different ways. Then you're going to learn about book keywords, promotion, everything you should know about this business. You also learn how to create different foreign Amazon Kindle account from your country. If you are in Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere you are, you can create KDP account of another country. You will learn how to do that. Then you will also learn how to create what did they call it, foreign bank account, because if you are in Africa or maybe Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, you will need foreign account to receive fund. You need foreign account to receive fund. Then also you learn how to create best-selling books. In fact, the list is more and more and more. Okay, you also learn a proven formula to earn $5,000 or more save in 6 to 12 months. And what I'm telling you is something that is proven. You will learn a lot. Okay, and there are other bonuses. Here are other bonuses you are going to get. You will get free access to my exclusive training on Amazon KDP and seller. You see the word? Then also access to my pro group. Okay, and this pro group, I share tips there, information, useful information that can help you to keep you going. Then you have lifetime access to my mentorship. No matter what it is, no matter the situation you encounter during your Amazon KDP business process, you can always reach to me. And the beautiful thing here is we have less issues. It's not like we are not experiencing issues. Most of my students, you see book blocking, they hardly experience it. This one is another thing on it, or maybe later I'm going to share a video on that particular one. Then you see you have access to my secret framework for generating money. Then this one, access to my highly profitable Facebook and Instagram ad course. You also have access to more than 400 mind-blowing AI tools. Then you also have access to my ChatGPT money machine ebook and other bonus. So now all these things I listed, it's worth over $1,000. Yes, if you are interested, you are not paying $1,000. If you are interested, just send me a DM and we'll get started right away. Thank you.